guys? Happy Saturday. Yes, man, it's 62 freaking degrees, man. I know I keep saying it and you guys like, what's up with this guy and the weather? Man, let me tell you, it is amazing. I am not used to having this type of weather during the late spring, early summer here in my area. This is like unheard of. So I'm really excited. Now, why am I working on Saturdays when I don't? Guys, you have to work on Saturdays if you don't work usually on weekends sometimes. And the only reason is because, as you guys know, I have 4 days that I mow and 1 day is left for shrubs and inclement weather. So Wednesday, I think it was, we had a pouring rain and we couldn't do anything, not even shrubs. It was that bad. So we decided to just go ahead and call it a day. Not even come in because it just rained the whole day. So we end up picking up 2 brand new properties, and you know, there's so much you can do throughout the day, guys. You only have X amount of hours. And yeah, so today we're gonna hit up the commercial property, and it's gonna take us 2-3 hours to get it done. But hey, that's what it's all about, right? Go out there, do what you gotta do, and keep it moving, right? Yeah, man. So these 2 people over here talking in the road. Come on, people, look at that. Yeah, move your car, ladies. This one in pajamas. But yeah, so I'm gonna go out here, and Q's gonna meet me out here, and you know, we're gonna do what we gotta do and get it over with. Why not? You know what I mean? Let's get it over with. 2-3 hours. So yeah, other than that, guys, we'll see. We'll see where this video leads us. Show you a little bit of what we did. This is mowed at 2 inches. 2 inches. Here's the one and only Q. And it's taken down all the way to 2 inches. You may say, man, 2 inches, you're gonna kill the grass, you're gonna this, you're gonna that. Again, guys, remember, different types of grasses, different locations. This is what looks good, and this is where we do it. So yeah, and believe it or not, at 2 inches, we're coming out here on a weekly basis. And sometimes, you know, we go bi-weekly. But yeah, all the way around, let me show you. We have that big strip over there and all of this. And like I said before, we came out here today because of the rain, and also this parking lot is super filled with cars and stuff like that. So you know, it feels a lot better to just come out here on a Saturday morning. Right now it's 7:45 and I'm heading home. I'm finished for the day, guys. Hey, yes, I know some of you guys are still working, and you know, like I said before, we don't work on the weekends. Just me, personally, don't work on the weekends. Told you guys I'm retired military man. Been there, done that. Don't want to be doing that weekend thing. I mean, if I have to, if the money's right? So we all have a price. But yeah, I know I'm starting to jibber jabber a lot of crazy stuff. But yeah, this is it, guys. Just wanted to make a quick little video, show you one of our commercial properties and how we maintain it. And during the if it gets dry enough, then we'll hit the middle there. I've been stuck there twice. It ain't gonna happen 3 times. I'll be the first one to tell you. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Have a blessed one. Pop smoke. Peace.